are here to our archaeometry workshop, and we are going to show you some techniques that we employ to solve some archaeological problems. We use chemistry and biology, physics and science tools and earth science tools to solve some archaeological questions, as can be from where is a tool, from how many years ago was made, and etc. Now we are going to our instrument. Here you can see a colorimetric instrument, and here Angel is going to show us how it works. Here we have a table of color, and he is pointing to a color, and this can tell us about the grade of color that you can find depending on if it's red or blue tones, different tones. Is done, Uncle? Yeah? Okay, yeah. So we go on, and here we have our Mirko with the X-ray, and we are now measuring a flint, prehistoric flint, so we can see the chemical properties of this material, and maybe understand from where is the flint, or if true flint are coming from different places. Now we are it take more or less 1 minute reading, and will show us different chemical elements. Here on the computer you can see on the screen some element coming up. Okay, we go on now. Here we are with sorry about come sorry, just a moment, we are making a video. Here we are with Antonio and Marisa. You can see we have some ceramic and object materials. These are metals, and he will show us how we can measure with voltamperometry lead, for example. Let's show how this works.
This is a methodology for extracting a minimal amount of sample. We take a few nanograms of sample from transferring by abrasion to a graphite electrode. We put the electrode in the electrochemical cell and perform a conventional photometric experiment. That is the record of the current that flows through the electrochemical cell upon application of different electrode potentials.
Perfect. Thank you. This will be very useful, especially in archaeology, to see, for example, to see chronic as well chronological issues, thick
identification, scientific erosion problems, manufacturing processes, technical analysis.
Okay, thank you. Thanks everyone. Thank you for following us, and see you next time. Bye.